Want to change your Instagram story privacy setting so your stories are visible to all your followers instead of just your close friends? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to change your Instagram story from close friends to everyone. Now let's get started. When posting an Instagram story, you can choose the audience you want to share it to by tapping either your story to post it for all your followers to see, or close friends to only share it with those selected followers. If you tap the arrow in the bottom right corner, you can select which audience you want to default to if you post this way instead. If you've already shared a story and want to change the audience that can see it, you can tap the three dots in the bottom right corner. Then select Story Settings. Tap Close Friends. Here you can make changes to who is included in your close friends list. This is the only option to change the audience that can see your story if you've already posted it to close friends. If you want all your followers to be able to see it, you can instead save your story by tapping the three dots and selecting Save. Then tap either Save Story or Save Photo. Then repost the story publicly to all your followers. That's all it takes to change your Instagram story from close friends to everyone. Want to add something to your highlights without posting it publicly? Watch this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.